How to delete a scheduled post in Buffer. So first is just basically access your Buffer account either on the web or mobile app. Then you could either go with the calendar view to check out your scheduled post, or go with your list view, then go to queue, or go to the particular social channel that you want to edit out. So I want to edit out the post right here on my LinkedIn account. So I'm just going to click right here on the channel on the left sidebar, then go to queue, and you will see all of your scheduled posts right here. So let's say I want to delete this post. So I'm just going to basically click on the three dot icon, which is the more actions button. And if you click on that, you will see the option to delete that particular post. So just basically select delete, then confirm it by clicking on delete again. So this will permanently delete your post if you confirm this. So once you're done clicking delete, as you can see, it has been removed automatically just like that. And it will notify you right here at the top that your post was deleted. And that is how you basically delete a scheduled post in Buffer.